Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the Bridge City Joint Maker Pro crosscut saw. And it is basically, as the name describes, it is a precision joint maker, and it is a professional version. So if you, first off, just need to trim small pieces very accurately, cleanly, smoothly, this is a fantastic tool. I used it on jewelry boxes for a lot of the smaller liners and other details. It's also a great tool if you have to do some form of tenon on the end of work. You would set yourself a stop block, and then you put your piece in there, you set your height of your blade, and then you just make, and this is where it comes in handy to use the clamp, you just make a series of 4 cuts, and then you can chisel away the waste, and you'll have your tenon. Very quick, very precise, and with these hold downs, very safe. So here, you've got a completely precise square cut all the way around. Now you would chisel off the sides. So that's about it for today. I'm selling the Joint Maker Pro. And unfortunately, we have some major bills that need to be paid, so some things have to go. This will be one of them. And then I have boxes and boxes of specialty tools that I have not used much lately. And I'd rather see them go to good use than sit. So I will be doing other demonstrations in the future. But we want to get the Joint Maker Pro listed for sale. If you're interested, my contact information is down in the description box. You can email me, write me, or you can leave a comment and I can contact you. So that's about it for today. If you never used a Joint Maker Pro, you owe it to yourself to at least try one of these. And you're welcome to the shop anytime. So head out to your shop, go make some shavings. Or cut something, not your fingers. Walter out.